Kevin's Jeep gets a new set of axles so the guys can complete the driveline. Adam from Knoxville Driveline swings by Lokar Performance to help show us how to measure the new axles. Then we take a trip back to Adam's shop to see just how these axles are built.
All right, so today is a really exciting day because we get to get Kevin's Jeep completely mobile again with the help of Adam Pritchett from Knoxville Driveline. I'm going to have him tell you everything that we're going to be doing today.
Build him a set of off-road shafts for his Jeep, hopefully get this thing back on the road.
That is very good. Now, you're also going to show us how to measure drive shafts,
yes,
right?
Yes, sir.
And then when we go to your facility, you're going to actually make a couple so we can see what the process is.
Yep.
So this is going to be very cool. And you were talking about a carbon shaft in which car?
Yeah, so Kevin's Buick, he built a drive shaft in it, carbon fiber. We haven't broke it yet.
Very nice.
You break it, you got a problem.
Oh.
Yeah. He'd probably break these, though.
Nah, I don't know. I think we might be able to build him something he can't break.
Well, let's see if Adam's right.
We're trying to figure out what U-joint series he's got. A couple ways to do that. We need to know what the width is of the caps, so measure inside to inside where the U-joint would sit. And then we need to know the size of the cap itself. Or you can cheat and use one of these fancy-dancy little tools like we have. So that could be a 1330 or a 1350. And that is determined by the width of the cap. So we're 1 3/16 inches. So on the flange on the back of his transfer case, we need to know the pilot, which is the diameter of this circle. And then we need to know the bolt circle, which is from center bolt to center bolt across. So he's a 2-inch pilot. It's a 4 1/4 across. We're measuring flange face, which you take measure on there, down to center of the U-joint. And that's what we asked for.
How cool is this showroom? They even got an old school Sun tune-up center over there.
Did you see all the t-shirts?
Dude, yeah.
He sells these shirts, it's nice shirt.
I love the t-shirts and what's written on them as well. We are finally here at Knoxville Driveline, and Adam is going to be building Kevin's drive shafts. One of them's already completed, but he saved another one for us to see exactly the process it takes to make one of these drive shafts. So I take it this is one of Kevin's?
That's actually the front shaft. We can get away with a little smaller tube on that one because it's not sitting there transferring the power the whole time. It's just when he's in 4-wheel drive.
Have you met Kevin?
Yeah, that's the reason we talked about doing the bigger shaft for the rear. So fronts don't take as much abuse as the rears. They're kind of tucked up in there a little bit better. They're protected a little better, so we can get away with a little smaller shaft on that one.
That's very cool. What's next?
He's got the head built, and in the machine, we pulled a larger tube for Kevin. Typically on an on-road Jeep, we would put a 95 wall in the rear. For Kevin, we're doing a 157.
As you can see, Adam got both shafts made for Kevin's Jeep. What a process. It was really cool to see that, wasn't it?
It was really cool, and the quality is just unreal. They use really good parts.
Now it's the time to go back to Lokar, and we're going to install the shafts on Kevin's Jeep, and hopefully we'll be mobile and be done with the Jeep until we get the ARB lockers installed.
Yes.
All right, Kevin, I think we're pretty much done with the Jeep, don't you think?
I think we got a couple loose ends to tie up, but these drive shafts, they fit perfect. They look strong.
Well, you did really good. I love seeing the process of everything being made, and you guys make custom shafts like Travis said. And that's why you guys, when you're building yourself a custom project and you want peace of mind, you want someone to build you shafts, you got to check out Knoxville Driveline. Tell everyone where they can find you.
KnoxvilleDriveline.com, Facebook, Instagram. If you are building something custom, do yourself a favor. Don't try and do it at home. It's not really a homebrew kind of thing. Spend the money, go to a good qualified shop, whoever it may be. We'll definitely help you out, but do yourself a favor and go buy a good one.
Yep, because this stuff's getting more expensive every day.
Some people don't have time to do it, right, but they have time to do it twice.
Yeah,
yes.
No kidding.